Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shruti Dikshit, Assistant Professor in CSC Department. SRTE College is under Sage Group. Today we are discussing about the digital communication. We will take the introductory part about the digital communication. The subject is digital systems under RGPV curriculum and subject code is CS304. First of all, we will understand the meaning of communication. Communication is the process of transmitting information from the source end to the destination end, means exchange of information between transmitter and receiver. Three important elements are there in communication: transmitter, transmission media, and receiver. Here is the complete communication having information source and input transducer. Transducer which converts one form of energy into another form of energy. Transmitter, channel means transmission media. Receiver and output transducer. Here the output transducers which converts electrical signal to usable form. For example, speaker, monitor. A transmitter transmits the signal, receiver through this channel the information is transmitting and receiver receives the signal. This input transducer and output transmitter plays important role which converts one form of energy into another form of energy. The information source and input transducer which is converting one form of energy into another form of energy. This transmitter in the transmitter section, it converts electrical signal into form suitable for channel. Here the modulator and amplifier in the transmitter section. Channel, it is the transmission media which is used to transfer signal from transmitter to receiver. Means it may be point to point or broadcast. Here there are two types of medias are there, wired media and wireless media. Wired media, optical fibers, then copper cables. Wireless medias, atmosphere, then mobile communication, satellite communication, microwave communication are under the category of wireless media. Again, the wired media's example: copper cables of twisted pair, then waveguides, cables, fiber optics, and wireless means radio transmission of electromagnetic waves from antenna to antenna, which is from kilohertz to ultraviolet, and propagation characteristics vary with frequency. And the wired media having in the range of means in case of copper cable it is range from kilohertz to megahertz, fiber optics in the terahertz. Here the wireless radio means in the range of gigahertz. Classification of communication systems, there are basic three types of communications: analog communication, digital communication, and hybrid communication. In case of analog communication, analog signals transmitted by using analog modulation schemes. In case of digital communication, digital signals transmitted by using digital modulation schemes. And in case of hybrid communication, digital modulation schemes for transmitting sampled and quantized values of an analog message signal. Means we have to convert this analog signal into digital signal. Here is the block diagram of digital communication. This is the information source and input transducer. The analog signal or digital signal depending on the information source. Okay, then it is passed through the source encoding, and source encoding means if digital signal in the form of binary signal, channel encoding is there, and then it is transmitted through this digital modulator, and then through this channel digital demodulator is there. This is the complete receiver section and this is the transmitter section. Here the encoding is done and in the receiver section, decoding is done for extracting the original signal. Information may be analog or digital, audio, video, image, discrete data. Source encoding, the main advantages of source encoding are it reduces redundancy, effective utilization of bandwidth, data compression. Channel encoding, which provides noise immunity by adding redundancy, block codes or cyclic codes. Digital modulator here converts low frequency electrical signal into high frequency modulated signal. It is the reverse process of demodulator is the reverse process of digital modulator. Channel decoder corrects the error at the receiver side, and the source encoder converts the digital data into analog data, and output transistor converts electrical signal into physical signal. This is the digital representation of analog signals. This is the waveform having continuous value. This is the waveform encoding coder decoder, and which converts into the digital form. Digital form means the value in between the high range or low range, on or off condition. Here are the advantages of digital transmissions. First important advantage is noise immunity. The less noise probability in case of digital transmission. Error detection and correction method, easy for detection of and correction of errors. Ease of multiplexing, then multiplexing means many to one, and demultiplexing means one to many. If you want to transmit the digital signal, and then first we have to convert analog signal into digital technique and digital signal, and then transmit it to the channel. Integration of both analog and digital data, use of signal regenerators, then data integrity and security is possible in case of digital transmission, ease of evaluation and measurements, and it is more suitable for processing. Here are the few disadvantages of digital transmission. Some more bandwidth requirement, then need of precise time synchronization, additional hardware for encoding, decoding, integration of analog and digital data, then sudden degradation in quality of service, and incompatible with existing analog facilities. So this is all about the introductory part of this digital communication. In this lecture, we have discussed about the important what is communication, then what are the elements of communication, and advantages and disadvantages of digital transmission. Thank you.